what if your LED has a loose connection? No need to replace the whole strip. Let's have a look. Let's start by switching the power off. Then remove the cap and take the wires out. You might want to use a screwdriver to help you. Now remove the electric tape. Here is a wiring diagram. You will need it for later. We also strongly advise you to take a photo of your wiring because the colors might be different than on the diagram. Now remove the connectors with the pliers. And we're now ready to remove the strip. So to do that, slide the diffuser out very gently. And that will release the LED. Repeat on the other side, so sliding towards the center. Now uncover any loose wires. See this black wire? It needs soldering. So using a simple solder iron, solder them back. Now time to fit the LED back in. With one hand, hold the LED strip, and with the other hand, slide the diffuser back in. Move your hands along, holding the LED strip all the way to the center. And then repeat on the other side. Now time to rewire. So reconnect the wires. That's when you need to use your photo or the diagram as a reference, putting 3 wires into each connector and secure them with the plier. Time to test the LED. Working, so we can finish. Now add the electric tape. On both sides, of course. And time to fit all the wires back. Replace the cap. And now all the LEDs are working again. Voila! For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel.